Hello everyone, my name is Nupur Bhandari and I am from IIPS DAV. Our question is obtain normal equation and write algorithm for linear regression. For obtaining normal regression from the deviation we have this equation. The equation is summation I is equal to 1 to h brackets open yi minus yi ka whole square is equal to summation n upon summation I is equal to 1 to n y1 minus brackets open aixi plus a0 and ka whole square. Now for the line y is equal to aix plus a0, we will calculate values of a and a0 by minimizing the sum of square of errors measured values a1 and a0 to minimize s. Min s is equal to min summation I is equal to 1 to n brackets open yi minus yi dash ka whole square is equal to minimum summation I is equal to 0 to n yi minus brackets open yi minus brackets open ai xi plus a0 brackets close ka whole square. Now we will have to find partial deviation for a0 a1 or for s. Partial deviation of s is with respect to a0. ds upon da0 is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n 2 into yi minus ax 1 a1 xi minus a0 into minus 1 is equal to 0. This is our equation number a, and ds upon da1 is equal to summation I is equal to 1 up to n 2 into yi minus a1 xi minus a0 multi into minus xi is equal to 0. This is equation number b. From a, summation yi is equal to ai summation xi minus n a0 is equal to 0. From b we get a minus summation xi yi plus ai summation xi square plus a0 summation xi is equal to 0. Summation is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n. On rearranging this, we get n a0 plus summation xi a1 is equal to summation yi. Then summation xi a0 plus summation xi a1 is equal to 2xi yi. On solving, we get a0 summation yi summation xi square minus 2x summation xi yi divided by n summation xi square minus summation xyi. Then a1 is equal to n summation xi yi minus summation xi summation yi upon n summation xi square minus summation xi ka whole square. A0 and a1 are a normal equation, also called as regression coefficient. Now we will know how to write algorithm for linear regression. First we start the algorithm, then we read n, then we initialize some x with 0, then we initialize some x sq as 0, then we initialize some y as 0, then we initialize some xy as 0. Then in step number 6, for I is equal to 1 to n do we read x y, then some x is initialized with some x plus x, some x sq is initialized with some x sq plus x square, some y is initialized with some y plus y, and then some xy is initialized with some xy plus xxy. Then we end for. Then in step number 7, denom is initialized by nx some x sq minus some x into some x. Then a0 is initialized by some yx some x sq some x some xy divided by denom. Then in step number 8, a1 is a1 is initialized by n into some xy, some x minus some x into some y, divided by denom. Then in step number 9 we have to write a1 and a0. Then in step number 10 we stop the algorithm. That's it. Thank you for watching.